What's up, man? 82 Box Chevy Boy back with another video. So, man, this is the issue I'm running into with the Chevy, right? Like I was telling you in my last, let me show you. I ain't got to even turn it all the way on, but my blower motor, no speeds is working. So, definitely got to get this right before the summer hit. So I got a few things I'm gonna check on it. I'm talking about no speeds ain't working. I know from what I'm hearing, it basically only like one of certain speeds work is more likely your resistor. So I'm gonna double check and make sure. Let's see. I know that's the relay. The resistor in there, of course the blower motor. So what I'm finna get ready to do is I already checked the relay, which it looks like is alright. But I'm gonna check the resistor and I'm gonna pull out that blower motor and see what that's looking like. Let's see what it could be. So 7mm is what you're gonna need. Let's see. What y'all think? Yeah, I think it's the resistor? Because it do look bad, man. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so now since we checked it, as I said, the resistor look old, rusted out. Go ahead and get that replaced. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check is the blower motor itself. See the condition on it. So of course you got your two wires. You got your ground wire that you gotta take off, put to the side, and you got your hot wire. Take that, put that to the side. I think you're supposed to be able to take your hose off too. This hose right here is for your AC. So we're gonna turn it that way, and we're gonna and the reason why I say I may go ahead and replace all of it, because this shit, it don't even really cost too much, bro. Relay, $12, $13. The resistor, $10. See what I'm saying? The blower motor, $25, $26. So I'm spending $150 to get all the new parts. Shit that you can do yourself too. It's the old blower motor, man. Alright, man, just doing a little bit by a little bit, man.
Fan motor.
Yeah. What you up to?
Nothing, man. Just seeing you over here piddling and shit. Just want to come over and speak, be neighborly.
Oh yeah, man. I'm just browsing, man.
I like that chrome alternator. I just seen that. That one look good.
Oh yeah.
That's sharp there.
Man, my nose ass, nigga. But look, man, as you just seen, man, I just took the blower motor out. Blower motor looks old. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the resistor in the blower motor and get that back right first. And then after that, we'll see what it's doing. And I'm gonna get back with y'all with an updated video on it. Alright, we back right now. I went on ahead, went to Advanced Auto, and I picked up the part. I picked up the resistor first to see if that's gonna be the issue, but I was still getting pretty much everything set up where none of these weren't working at all. So they didn't have the blower motor, so I had to pretty much go to the other store to get the blower motor, which hell I just bought. Brand new blower motor. But the crazy thing about it though, when I'm driving back, I don't know if I guess it's a new resistor that I put in because that old one pretty much was stuck. I had to goddamn put some PB Blast on it to get out the harness. I can feel the heat. So like when I'm switching, I switched it back to cold just to see if the heat had changed, which it seemed like it did. But when I switched to hot the whole time riding, I could feel the heat. So I know the resistor working. In the case to me, I feel like the relay is working as well. So the only thing to me left is the motor blower, which I'm gonna go ahead and set up and everything. So motor blower, it comes with a new little fan and everything for it. So I'm gonna, man, get this put on, get this hooked up, and get everything right on it. Man, the only thing though, I don't know about that. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in a second.